Hi, my name is Jody Wilson. I am the Director of Content Strategy here at OPSWAT. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how OPSWAT protects the world's critical infrastructure with a comprehensive cybersecurity platform across all levels of IT and OT systems. Let's start over here with our OT solutions. These solutions are put in place to protect your PLCs from any hackers trying to break your system. We're going to tell those hackers, no, not today. You can't come in. I'm going to show you how we do it. At any time, you can get an idea of what's going on in your OT environment. Simply put, you can't protect what you can't see. So meet our Neuralyzer. Our Neuralyzer is built for OT asset visibility and monitoring. It creates a baseline of all of your OT assets. Now, you know what is in there, or in some cases, what isn't supposed to be there. So either way, you can solve for all your cybersecurity needs now that you are informed. Right below the Neuralyzer, you're going to see our Meta Access OT. Our Meta Access OT provides secure remote access to OT where users can only access what they are authorized to see across their connection and nothing else. Below that is our OT Fuse. It is our industrial firewall, IPS and IDS, designed to protect your PLCs from attacks. OT Fuse also serves as that last line of defense to make sure that any commands being sent are meeting the profile that has been set. Where are those commands coming from? Well, the engineering station, of course. The engineering workstation sends commands back to the PLC. OPSWAT has this protected. You can scan it with MetaDefender Drive, which uses 10 different antivirus engines for malware and vulnerabilities. Or you can also simply install OPSWAT Client to check for malware. One more way is to use the USB firewall, which provides another option for securing and controlling portable media used in critical infrastructure. And that is right there. So now let's talk about transferring files between your OT and your IT environments. You can process your data by inserting your removable media using our MetaDefender kiosk. Our MetaDefender kiosk will scan and sanitize files from all removable media. It does this by using up to 30 antivirus engines, deep CDR, a vulnerability assessment, and country of origin detection before those files can be moved onto your secure network. We have two kiosks here. First, this freestanding kiosk is our K3001. It's a great option to have at your facility to stop anyone from entering without scanning their removable media. Now, over here, we have, let me just grab that for you. We have our brand new portable kiosk. This is such a cool option because you can take it with you anywhere. It also withstands rugged environments. So if it's on a really windy day, if there's a storm, if you're on a boat and it's rocking back and forth, this kiosk has you covered to still have control over portable media coming into your environment. It also works in non-rugged environments, so everyone should just get one of these. So once you've scanned the removable media at the point of entry, you can provide safe transfer into your OT network through NetWall, our unidirectional gateway and data diode that can ensure one-way communication. And then all of this data can be stored on your MetaDefender vault. It stores and scans the data to ensure the data entering your OT network is truly secure. All right, so now let's connect those dots over to IT. The same thing here. We are telling any hackers, no thank you. You cannot come in. If you try, we will stop you. So up at the very top, you're going to see our MetaDefender Drive. In this environment, it can protect your supply chain so you can ensure what you purchased will safely interact within your network. Again, it is scanning using more than 10 antivirus engines to ensure it is not vulnerable. If you have clients uploading files to your network, you have to make sure those files are secure. Our MetaDefender Core and ICAP protects your network using deep CDR and multi-scanning to ensure the file is not embedded with malicious code and ultimately is safe to use. Every business has email. Everyone has access to email. That's why it is the #1 attack vector for passing malicious files and links. Our Meta Access provides secure remote access, compliance, patch management, and compliance reports. And lastly, at the very bottom of this IT tower, we have secure storage. We scan your storage with antivirus engines. This can be in the cloud or on-premise. And that's our purpose-built platform for IT and OT. Reach out to our sales team and follow us on social media to learn more on how OPSWAT can protect your critical infrastructure organization.